Alright guys, today we're doing 2010 Hyundai Sonata, the V6 Limited. Today we're changing the sway bar length. This one. It has two bolts with a nut, 17 millimeter, and there's another one in the back right here. Do you see it? I hope you see it. I'm gonna try my power tool. Hopefully it will work. If it didn't, I'm just gonna use regular tools. And if the bolt start to spin, if you can see over here, I can't get good catch of it, but there's a spot on that ring. You can actually catch 18 millimeter. So you prevent the bolt from spinning, which is you're gonna go from here, but there's just two surfaces, one flat this way, one flat that way. I can't see him, so probably it's that way and that way now, but I'm gonna try to get that off with the power tool. If it didn't go off, that means the bolts start to spin, so that's why I'm gonna have to hold it. And that goes the same way with this one. Same 17 millimeter nut, and if you have to hold the bolt, it's from back here, from this side, and it's 18 millimeter. But to be honest with you, what I've been using is this. Yeah, it's not the best. I don't like them, but sometimes they're very helpful. So let's get started. Guys, that's the old sway bar, and that's the sway bar link. And I told you, if the nut is not coming out, because the sway bar is going to be right here, if the nut's coming out, that means it starts to spin the bolt itself. And if you see here, let me try to get it clean. Okay, if you see here, there is two notches around this bolt. You can squeeze.
Not notches,
It's like two lines, two flat surfaces.
Yeah, parallel.
I think that's, you can see it this better this way. So you can actually hold it from the back. So you can actually get the nut loose from the front. And once again, the sway bar is going to be right in the middle. But if you're trying to get this nut off, the whole thing is going to start to spin. How to hold it is from these two sides. 1, 2. And they're, I believe they're about 18 millimeter, but we're using this, what is it?
Wrench.
Wrench, whatever, adjustable wrench, whatever it is. I'm sure it has a name. But once again, I don't like to use it, but sometimes it comes really handy. So let's put the new one in. I put that rope just because the other side, when I was trying to tighten it, it was coming loose that way, but I misjudged. Actually, this one is actually was pushing this way, but anyways, it's still loose. So from the other side, I was trying to keep it out of my way. I know that I can move it 108 degrees even if you want to, or 360 degrees if you want to. But now we're gonna squeeze the sway bar down. I will try to lift this up again and then squeeze the sway bar down so we can actually get that bolt inside this hole. Just let's see what we're gonna do. البيبنج. Alright guys, we torqued both nuts. Actually, I torqued this one only. I did not torque this one. It's very hard to get my torque machine in there, but it's 40 foot-pound. And that's how we changed the sway bar link in 2010 Hyundai Sonata, the V6 Limited. If you find that video helpful, please support us by sharing, thumbs up, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.